Hello, Dan Kramer, eFood for Life Farms. In the background here, you see the Jersey cows, A2 heritage breed, and it's a super hot day, so they're inside, they want the shade. Normally they are in the morning and night out on pasture. So raw milk is an incredible food, a complete whole meal in itself. The only thing that raw milk doesn't have is vitamin C. Otherwise it has everything, vitamins, minerals, enzymes, probiotics, and of raw milk you get all these products of milk, cream, yogurt, butter, cheese, ice cream. All that comes from a gallon of raw milk. So just to take in a food is one thing, but to digest that food is another. So the rawness allows all the enzymes and probiotics to be present so we can digest it. What does that mean to you? Why does it matter? Because when you digest food, you have the energy, the health energy, the energy in general, the healing energy to meet your needs, whatever those needs are. Additionally, is raw milk safe? Absolutely. We invite people to go to rawmilkinstitute.org and see the standards of the safety, and we're following those standards to gain the confidence that raw milk truly is safe. So if you want better health and energy and healing for you and your family, we invite you to choose food that you can trust.